Press the bell icon on the YouTube app to never miss a video from News Laundry.
There's news, there's sense, and there's nuisance. This show is all about that last bit. The season of slander on TV news seems to be getting over. By which I mean, पिछले एक हफ्ते में Arnab and his extras on other channels are a bit shant on the justice for SSR front. All the drugs mafia, Bollywood में रहते हैं, hashtag गंदी नाली के कीड़े type तमाशा shows seem to be on the wane. Wonder what happened.
Breaking news, leading Bollywood producers Monday approached the Delhi High Court seeking to restrain Republic TV and Times Now from making or publishing irresponsible, derogatory and defamatory remarks against the film industry and conducting media trials against its members.
As many as 38 film bodies and production houses have moved the court against Republic TV and Times Now for using words like this.
Bollywood druggies, ganjedi, druggy muck,
the dirty, seedy underbelly,
filth,
and using phrases like this.
My dishes are not dirty. It's Bollywood where the dirt needs to be clean.
And it's not just the secular types in Bollywood. Even Team Nationalism is taking Republican Times Now to court. Akshay Kumar, Ajay Devgan, Aditya Chopra, Farhan Akhtar, the three Khans, Zoya Akhtar, even Ambani ji ki dukaan. All major banners have come together as plaintiffs in the suit to stop Times Now and Republic TV. Arnab had some predictable reactions to this.
Our pursuit of the truth will only become stronger, more intense and more focused.
Really, Arnab? Pursuit of truth? You call this pursuit of truth?
पूरे देश में बॉलीवुड की ड्रग्स वाली बू फैल गई है.
After using phrases like Bollywood ki drugs wali boo and calling people
गंजेड़ी या नशेड़ी.
Of course, Arnab is the victim here. जब अर्नब बेचारा बन गया तो एक्स्ट्रास क्यों पीछे रहे? If fighting for justice invites court cases, bring it on.
The mighty may think they can weaken the resolve of the fearless at Times Now, but they are wrong.
For all their bluster, these guys did stop their 24/7 Bollywood bashing. I'm sure you've all had that annoying neighborhood dog who'd bark at you until you turned around and stomped your foot. Let's break down this fight for justice and pursuit for truth. We looked at 30 debates by Arnab Goswami, 28 debates by RSS and Navika on Bollywood over the last 4 months and, surprise, surprise, found that none of them had anything to do with facts or reporting or anything remotely journalistic. Pursuit of truth, fight for justice, to dur ki baat hai.
This is the story of a man who was born dramatic and shouted a lot. And this duo who just blindly followed his ways. You should know up front, what they say is hardly even based on facts. 120 days of slander.
Arnab and extras employed 4 basic tricks in pursuit for truth and fight for justice. Trick number 1, कुछ भी पेल दो.
पाकिस्तान बॉलीवुड को ड्रग्स की सप्लाई कर रहा है डायरेक्ट.
डायरेक्ट मतलब सीधा इमरान खान गिफ्ट रैप करके पूरे बॉलीवुड को कोरियर करता है ड्रग्स. When we were kids, parents would tell us, क्या चित्रहार और कार्टून्स देखते हो? Watch news, you'll learn something. Nowadays, parents be like, बेटा न्यूज़ मत देखो, वरना you'll end up learning something. Something you shouldn't be learning at your age.
ये गंजेड़ी, ये नशेड़ी, ये भंगेड़ी, ये अफीमची, ये चरसी. फिर से कहूंगा, ये हीरो बन के फिरते हैं ममता. पेलो और पेलो. बॉलीवुड एक गटर बन चुका है.
This drug den of Bollywood to be cleaned up.
ड्रग्स बहने वाला गटर, धुआं से भरा एक गटर बन गया है.
The time has come, viewers, to unmask this lobby in Bollywood. For too long, they have wrecked people's lives. They have actually fed off like leeches the Indian state. They have given very little back in return. All their money goes in, is parked outside, and it's laundered.
They are leeches? They've given nothing in return. The Indian film industry is pegged at 183 billion rupees. Bollywood is a sizable chunk of that. Some of the top taxpayers in the country are Bollywood actors, and they are leeches. The thing about this trick of kuch bhi pel do is that you don't need to be specific. Just use words like
Nexus,
Mafia gang,
lobby,
cartel.
drug circuits.
and then use these words to say any and every nonsense under the sun about an entire industry and its people. Trick number 2, bring in soldiers and sanskars.
अरे हमारे वीर सैनिक सीमा पर गोली खाते हैं और ये बॉलीवुड की अफीमची पाकिस्तान से आई गांजा वाली गोली खा रहे हैं.
Notice the phrase Bollywood ke afeemchi. Again, no specifics, just generalizations to paint an entire industry as drug addicts. This was also used in the case of Tablighi Jamaat, where you call them words like corona bombs. We all know what happened to that case.
केदारनाथ फिल्म के नाम पर सारा अली खान सत्यवादी बने, फिर ड्रग्स का धुआं उड़ाकर खुद को कूल कहे, यह हमारी संस्कृति के साथ बहुत बड़ा षड्यंत्र है दोस्तों.
Okay, first things first. Maybe Sara Ali Khan was just doing some good old method acting for Kedarnath. You know, the temple dedicated to Lord Shiva. But of course, Arnab never saw Sara Ali Khan udawing drugs ka dhuan, or none of them have any proof of consumption or possession. There's no case against her. The NCB has not filed any case against her. But according to Arnab, she's doing drugs and षड्यंत्र against Indian culture. असली षड्यंत्र तो अर्नब भाई साहब आप कर रहे हैं देश की सद्बुद्धि के खिलाफ. And you don't even have drugs as an excuse. Or do you?
ड्रग दो, ड्रग दो, ड्रग दो, ड्रग दो, ड्रग दो, मुझे ड्रग दो, मुझे ड्रग्स दो.
ट्रिक नंबर 3, हम नाम नहीं लेंगे लेकिन निक नेम लेंगे क्योंकि डर तो हमें भी लगता है.
बाबा बेबी पेंगुइन, बाबा बेबी पेंगुइन.
Gets very bizarre.
मैं जूब से भी मैंने पता की कि बेबी पेंगुइन कौन है. कोई बताने को तैयार नहीं है कौन है बेबी पेंगुइन. बताइए मुझे राजपुंजी, पूछता है भारत.
भारत, are you on drugs? क्या पूछ रहे हो ये तुम? बेबी पेंगुइन कौन है?
जानवर मतलब पंखी.
जानवर मतलब पंखी? What's पंखी अर्नब?
आइए मैं समझाता हूँ आपको पंखी का मतलब. आप ले लीजिए एक पक्षी और आप ले लीजिए एक मक्खी, और इन दोनों को जीपीएस नैनोटेक टेक्नोलॉजी जो कि सुधीर जी ने और श्वेता जी ने इस दुनिया को दी है, उसको लेकर आप इन दोनों को मिक्स कर दीजिए और आपको मिल जाएगा पंखी. एक ये बहुत ही अनोखा क्रीचर है पंखी.
ये क्या बोल रहे हो तुम? कोई मानेगा ये बात? कुछ भी?
ये उसी तरह है जैसे आप एंटरटेनमेंट ले लीजिए और न्यूज ले लीजिए और बीच में थोड़ा सा मसाला और गाली गलौज डाल दीजिए और मिक्स कर दीजिए और ये मिल जाएगा आपको इंडिया का नंबर 1 न्यूज शो. 2020 में कुछ भी हो सकता है. यही है #पंखी सच.
The BJP and its toadies on social media have been calling Aditya Thackeray baby penguin. And believe it or not, there's a story behind it. Back in 2016, Aditya Thackeray apparently decided to make an addition of 8 new penguins to the Mumbai Baikula Zoo. One of the said penguins died in the zoo and another baby penguin born in the zoo also died. Sure enough, there was politics over penguins' death, with Congress and MNS accusing Shiv Sena of murdering penguins. Yeah, that was a headline. Anyway, cut to 2020. BJP and its toadies on Twitter and TV news use baby penguin as a wink, wink, nudge, nudge attack on Aditya Thackeray. Very mature. And Arnab has been using this word throughout the SSR debate to drag Aditya Thackeray into the SSR murder, conspiracy and drug nonsense when there's no proof of any of it. Of course, Arnab is such a coward that when confronted, he just denies what he's trying to do here.
एक पंछी होती है पेंगुइन. मैंने तो पंछी की नाम ली. मैंने किसी व्यक्ति विशेष की बात नहीं.
Can you criticize Aditya Thackeray or Shiv Sena for importing penguins, a project that reportedly cost rupees 2 crore? Yes. In a city that looks like this every monsoon? Hell yes. But does that give journalists the right to troll him on news shows and link him to a death when there's no such evidence at all? A big no. Trick number 4. खोदा पहाड़, निकला चूहा और निकला पंखी strategy. Pretend like you have big names, big revelations, A-listers, you're going to expose the rot right at the top.
How are there so many peddlers who are tumbling out of the woodwork in Bollywood, with 6 arrests taking place only today and a big one on the run who's supposed to be allegedly a key supplier to Bollywood?
बॉलीवुड की ड्रग्स मंडली में जो लोग अभी पकड़े जा रहे हैं वो तो प्यादे हैं। इनके असली गुरु तो अभी गुमनाम है।
Bollywood drug net is unraveling very, very quickly.
ड्रग्स केस में बॉलीवुड के 3 ऐसे स्टार हैं जिनके नाम सामने आने वाले हैं। इनमें एक है 56 साल का एस, दूसरा है 38 साल का आर और तीसरा है ए जो 47 साल का है।
So Bollywood A-listers procure and peddle the banned drugs.
ये जो 47 साल का स्टार है, ये ड्रग्स बिजनेस में बहुत बड़ा खिलाड़ी है।
Guess what? This SRA were never called for questioning, but Arnab gave ample hint at who these guys were by giving out their ages. What the Arnab School of Journalism does is not pursuit of truth. It's gossiping, raving and ranting against people with no proof. It's what guys like Hindustani Bhau do sitting in a car. The only difference is that he sits in a car, has zero budget and zero brands who want to sponsor his shit show. Arnab and his extras, on the other hand, sit in a studio, suited and booted. They have big budgets and fancy brands willing to sponsor their hate news. This is not the first time they've done so.
Viewers, this is very, very serious.
अगर शाहीन बाग जनता का आंदोलन है तो पाकिस्तान में इसकी प्लानिंग कैसे हो रही है, लाहौर में पूछता है भारत।
Can the lobby still call Delhi violence a pogrom, or was this a model of the Shaheen lynch mob? Now, as the days are passing by and the protests have shifted to central Delhi, the platform seems to have expanded to incorporate venomous anti-India voices.
Over a period of decades, various students have got sucked into anti-national activities in JNU.
क्या JNU में आजादी के नाम पर देश को तोड़ने वाली पढ़ाई हो रही है?
I want to tell you how the tukde mindset has infested the campus at JNU. Is the Tablighi Jamaat eroding our war against Corona?
भाई और बहनों, आपको मैं कह दूं, इससे ये प्रमाण हो जाता है कि ये मरकज की तबलीगी जमात और ये मरकज जानते हुए भी कोरोना फैलाना चाहते थे।
The Tablighi Markaz, led by its chief Maulana Saad, is guilty of committing an act of aggression against India by not following the law deliberately.
What you saw there is an example of anchors who choose a victim every night to hound and defame. It's slander and a media trial where anchors pronounce judgments with no proof and color your perception about an entire industry, a university, or a community. In the SSR case, CBI has ruled out foul play. NCB has not busted any big drug cartel involving any big A-lister. ED has found no proof of money laundering. All these angles were played up for 4 months with no proof. Just see the number of times the anchors and their proxies use the word murder with no evidence in this case.
Homicide.
मर्डर हुई,
Homicide.
कत्ल किया हुआ,
इसका मर्डर हुआ है।
प्रीमेडिटेटेड कोल्ड ब्लडेड मर्डर,
प्री प्लान मर्डर, ये मर्डर ही है।
सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के मर्डर में बार बार कह रहा हूं, हत्या हत्या और हत्या।
सुशांत की हत्या हुई है।
This made-up theory of murder was amplified to the exclusion of every other issue the country was facing. A pandemic, economic downturn, job losses, violence against women. They even wanted you to believe that SSR was the most important issue in Bihar elections.
पूरा बिहार ललकार रहा है कि सुशांत को इंसाफ नहीं तो हमारा वोट नहीं, सुशांत को इंसाफ नहीं तो हमारा वोट नहीं।
A showman sitting in a studio putting up a nightly circus obviously has no clue about the issues in an election because that is the job of reporters. Journalists who hit the ground to get you the voices of real people, not bhade ke panelists.
न्यूज़ लॉन्ड्री की टीम बिहार के अलग अलग जिलों से लगातार आप तक ग्राउंड रिपोर्ट पहुंचा रही है। इस दौरान हमने कुछ ऐसी भी रिपोर्ट की जो हैरान करने वाली है। मसलन बिहार के उप मुख्यमंत्री सुशील कुमार मोदी के आवास से महज 500 मीटर की दूरी पर लोग खुले में शौच करते हैं, जबकि बिहार खुले से शौच मुक्त हो चुका है। वहीं नीतीश कुमार हर साल 15 अगस्त और 26 जनवरी को किसी महादलित टोले में जाकर महादलित बुजुर्ग से झंडोत्तोलन कराते हैं, लेकिन उस महादलित के जीवन और वहाँ के लोगों के जीवन में कुछ बदलता भी है। आप जानते हैं कि यह सब करने के लिए हमें संसाधन की जरूरत पड़ती है, इसलिए न्यूज़ लॉन्ड्री के एनएल सेना प्रोजेक्ट जो बिहार चुनाव को लेकर है उसे सहयोग दें और गर्व से कहें, मेरे खर्च पर आज़ाद है खबरें।
That's Basant Kumar, our reporter at newslaundry.com, who's currently in Bihar covering the elections for you. He's bringing you ground reports, videos and interviews. We don't need big brands to sponsor his journalism because we have you, dear subscribers. Do contribute to NL Sena project and become a proud member of the peaceful army that keeps news independent. You need to log on to newslaundry.com, click on the subscribe button, click here to contribute to NL Sena project. क्योंकि आपके खर्चे पे आजाद रहती हैं खबरें. Because when you leave news to advertisers and sponsors, this is what you'll get.
और सबसे बड़ा सवाल कि जो मूवी माफिया से सवाल करे, क्या उसका बॉलीवुड से अंत निश्चित है? जैसे इस लॉबी ने सुशांत के साथ किया, ये सवाल आज अकेला मैं नहीं, सिर्फ कंगना नहीं, सिर्फ आप नहीं, पूछता है भारत।
जय हिंद दोस्तों, सुशांत सिंह राजपूत जिसने अभी खुदकुशी कर ली, उसको खुदकुशी नहीं बोल सकते। कहीं ना कहीं ये इंडस्ट्री के ऐसे लोग हैं जिन्होंने उसको ये करने को मजबूर किया।
I want to end this show by pointing out to one of the most delicious aspects of theatre and drama, irony. Remember when this guy said this?
The Indian state, they have given very little back in return.
So, Rahul, how should the man who pays your salary deal with these leeches who only take and never give anything in return? Obviously, by creating the most sought-after Filmy Award and acknowledging their contribution to Indian art, culture and cinema. Hang on, I'm not going to let the stars off the hook either. We all are aware of the stereotype that filmy people are insular, ignorant, uninformed. Now let's see these Bollywood bigwigs, A-listers, disprove that by marking their absence at the next big Filmfare Awards ceremony brought to you by the Times Group. All of you watching this video, share it on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook and tag your favorite film star. And ask them, would they be attending the next Filmfare Award? That's all the nuisance we have for you this week. We'll be back next week. Until then, stay mad. That's the only way. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this episode. If you liked it, like I said, please share it on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook and tag your favorite film star. If you like the work that we do at newslaundry.com, please subscribe to newslaundry.com because we really need your subscription and your support to carry on the work that we do. Without that, we will not be able to watch 30 Arnab debates, so that's not so much fun, but we still do that. Thank you so much again. Please like this video, share this video, subscribe to the News Laundry YouTube channel. Please don't forget to do that.